Hi everyone, welcome to this Meshmoon small tutorial number 10. Today we're going to learn how to create some stencil glow and blinking object. So to do so, I'm going to create first a simple object using the build mode, Ctrl B, and I've chosen there in build mode to create a sphere with some yellow color on it. Okay, and physics are created. If I forgot, I could add them, go in here in physics and add some rigid body to my object, but actually if I let it like this, they will be automatically done in my sphere. So let's create the sphere in free mode, so I can put it near me like this, then go in edit to move it a little up and scale it with the mouse wheel. Okay, so now we can leave the build mode, Ctrl B again, and what we need to do is to add a new component to this object. So let's go in tools, scene, to open scene structure, then double click in the sphere entity here. It will open your entity editor, and in this entity editor here we have the mesh, the name of the mesh, placeable to know where it is in the space, and the rigid body. So when we go like this, we bump on it. Now we want to add a new component, so to do so, right click here in the empty space, add new component, and we're going to choose stencil glow in the bottom of the list here, stencil glow. So click add, and you can see now that we have a new component named stencil glow. So if we look closer, we see that we have this kind of blurred alpha sphere around our first original sphere. So we can change the color of this to, for example, orange, and maybe put an alpha up to 100 will be enough. Then we can scale maybe a little bit the side of the sphere, so this is not a little bit, but anyway, you can size the sphere around, or the object that will blink around your object. Anyway, now we're gonna add some frequency. So if we go high, like 10, it will blink very fast, and if we go very low, like 0.1, it will blink very slowly, so we really don't see it. Okay, so I think I'm going to put it back to 1, and you can of course enable it or not enable it using scripts or manually. There, I think we've been through the blinking objects and stencil glow, so see you in the next tutorial.